I'm Mark Roxburgh. I'm an Associate Professor of Design at the University of Newcastle. I teach in a visual communication program. The school I belong to is the School of Creative Industries. We teach communication design, we teach music, we teach a little bit of fine art and journalism and communications. From my perspective, I think really strong visualisation skills, concept development skills are crucial. I think with the move towards the automation of software and the increasing use of artificial intelligence which driving software development, concept skills, soft skills, the human interaction skills are really important for communication designers. I think fundamentally the ability to take complicated and abstract ideas and produce those in some material form. In communication design, that's typically some form of image or series of images. And those sorts of images can inform things like service design, user experience design, strategy design. So despite the fact that many communication designers will be challenged by the advent of automation and software, those core skills are still absolutely essential. It's just that, as I said before, the contexts in which they'll be applied will be quite different. So maybe less poster design, less website design, maybe more storyboarding for customer service experiences. I'd suggest some bodies of work. So the research and literature that was probably most profound in the development of my thinking around design is the literature associated with the design methods movement, particularly Herb Simon, John Chris Jones, Christopher Alexander. Reading them was really quite influential in my thinking of design, despite the fact that they were coming from a fairly technocratic perspective. They've been hugely influential on the development of the theorisation and indeed the practice of design.